Hey, it's Steve, and today I thought we'd mix things up, literally mix things up, and do a quick cooking video. Now, this is a recipe that I'm really fond of. These are some Carefree. This is going to be a segment called Carefree Cooking, by the way. And these are going to be some Carefree power bars, carob nut power bars. And what I'm using something called carob, which is like chocolate, but it doesn't have the milk and the butter and all of that. So these are vegan carob chips made by Sunspire, so you can pick these up in like a Whole Foods market. And these are really delicious. They're good for you. They don't mess with your digestion like chocolate does. And it's an all-around, just a healthier choice. So right here in my little bowl, I've got some ingredients mixed up. The first thing is I've got some honey in there. I'm just using some regular honey. And some peanut butter. In this case, just some Skippy creamy peanut butter. And I've also put just a little bit of butter, maybe just a small little thing of butter in there as well. And I'm going to mix this up until it's melted down. Also, I'm going to use a little vanilla flavoring or vanilla extract. Just going to put some of that in there for flavor. And the last thing I'm going to throw in there are these molasses. Just some molasses for additional flavor. So, I don't know, maybe about a tablespoon in there, like that. Okay, and we're going to mix this all up. And into this, I'm going to mix in the carob chips, which melt quite easily. Here they are, so we'll just put a little in there like that. And by the way, you know, with Carefree cooking, you don't need any special utensils. You see, I've just kind of improvised here, just trying to be really resourceful and trying to use the things that I have at hand. So, you know, anybody can do this. It's a really simple recipe. I'm going to show you in a second just how quick it is while I mix this up. Most of the time that this takes is just the actual melting of the carob into the peanut butter, honey, the butter, the vanilla extract, and the molasses mixture. So we'll mix that all up. Now, in the meantime, in a separate bowl, leave that there, I've got some mixed nuts. These are sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sliced almonds, and walnuts. And there are a lot of nutrients in here. Walnuts are great with, they have a lot of omega-3s, omega-3 fatty acids, and there's a lot of protein and vitamin E and fiber contained in those nuts. And I'm going to show you, I'm just going to melt this mixture down here. And once it's fully melted, I'm going to add it to this nut mixture in the bowl. And then we're going to go to a cooking pan. It's about an 8-inch cooking pan, which I have right here. I covered it in foil. They ask you to use baking, like a baking paper or some kind of baking sheet, but I've just improvised. I've used foil. I've coated it with some butter. Instead of butter, you can use coconut oil. That's good as well. And okay, so now we've got this mixture, which you can see is all mixed up, and we're going to just put that right into this bowl of nuts, like that. Okay, now, once we've got it in the bowl, see, like that, you just want to mix it around, fold it in, just fold the nuts in. Now you can put other things in here. You can put raisins, you can put apricots or dried fruit, a variety of different nuts, anything you know, that makes sense actually that can go into the mixture here is something you can use, so you can improvise, make your own style of bar. Okay, so once that's mixed together, it mixes pretty easily. We just go from there right onto the baking sheet. Okay, and while it's on the baking sheet, we're just going to mash it down and spread it out. And when we're done with that, this is going to go in the refrigerator so it hardens up. And when it comes out, it's going to look something like this. And there you go. Those are your Carefree power bars. So I hope you enjoyed that little cooking demonstration. Try it out yourself. Let us know what happens, and we'll talk to you soon.